Hey guys, welcome to digit.in. Today we have with us an international all-in-one adapter. The box seems pretty standard. At the side you see the included features and the caution remarks. At the back you see the different plug types along with their corresponding countries. Now let's open up the box. Inside the box you have a carrying pouch which contains the adapter and a user manual. This adapter is white in color and is made of plastic. It seems to be of a pretty decent build quality. First, let's open up the adapter. This 3-pin one is for England, Hong Kong, Singapore and Middle Eastern based electrical sockets. This 2-pin plug is multifunctional. When it is bended upwards, it is compatible with Australia, China, New Zealand and Pacific Island based electrical sockets. On bending it downwards, this pin is now compatible with US, Japan, Canada and Philippines based electrical sockets. The final 2-pin one is compatible with EU countries, which includes Germany, Italy, Russia and Switzerland. This adapter has an electrical rating of 125 volts with 6 amperes and 250 volts with 13 amperes. It also provides surge protection, thereby protecting your valuable electronic appliance from spikes and surges. So that's it guys. That was the unboxing of an international all-in-one adapter. Thank you for watching and goodbye.